Good evening, everybody, and welcome to a Tuesday. Yet again, it was another smoky, hazy filled day. You could see that ball of red, orange, yellow sun through the clouds. And, you know, anytime you can look at it like that, you don't need eye protection, even if it's for a couple of seconds, you know there's something going on. Indeed, there is. Here's the smoke forecast from our computer forecast model. All this green and white smoke coming off the West Coast fires. And yes, it gets picked up in the upper levels of the atmosphere and comes right our way. I think we're going to see another day of this tomorrow, kind of a smoky, hazy sunshine out there, and then some clouds in the afternoon. A cold front will sweep on through. We'll tap a cleaner, drier, cooler air mass from the north and west, and that's why it kind of thins out here, and I think conditions will improve as we get into Friday, especially, probably a little bit tomorrow, not tomorrow, but a little bit on Thursday, and even more so as we get into Friday and Saturday. Notice not nearly as much smoke. It's out there, it's across a lot of the country, but because of the passage of that cold front and the switch in the wind direction, it will get a little bit better for us on Thursday and even better, I think, on Friday and Saturday as far as the smoke situation and the haze is concerned. So more smoky haze tomorrow, mainly dry this week, although I can't rule out a shower late tomorrow afternoon and evening as a weak cold front comes through. Weak in the sense that it doesn't have much moisture, but strong in the sense that there's cooler air behind it. I'll show you momentarily what we're talking about. Cooler temperatures arriving here by Friday. So nothing on live Doppler radar. We're going to be dry here through the overnight hours. Current temperatures, we're generally still hanging on to the 60s in many spots, except Battle Creek, Three Rivers, and Coldwater. Most lows tonight are going to fall down, probably into the upper 50s to around the 60-degree mark. Here's clouds and radar moving over the last 6 hours. Here's some clouds, a little bit of meager moisture associated with a cold front that's going to drop in here tomorrow. So that's what is going to change us a little bit. So the forecast for tomorrow, we'll start out with some sunshine, kind of a smoky, hazy sky, increasing clouds to the afternoon hours. There could be a shower late afternoon and early evening. Tomorrow's our warmest day out of the bunch. Temperatures around 78 degrees with a southwest to west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Out on Lake Michigan tomorrow, same deal as today. From Holland northward in red, that's a high beach hazard risk. Waves running about 3 to 5 feet. South of Holland, it's a moderate beach hazard risk, 2 to 4 feet there. And again, those are the icons for that kind of hazy sunshine out there with a southwest to west wind at about 10 to 20 knots. There's the cold front. We start with some sunshine, but as the cold front drops in here tomorrow afternoon, we thicken up the clouds. There may be a shower, but most of us stay dry. Canadian high pressure builds in here. That's what's going to give us the cleaner, drier, cooler, more comfortable air mass, and that'll be in control as we go into Friday and Saturday. So we are looking for some sunshine in here and continued dry conditions. As we look at our Fox 17 planner here, well, we're down to 68 there on Thursday, 60 on Friday. That's the cooler, drier Canadian air mass, 62 on Saturday, and we start to climb in temperatures. We should be back into the 70s by the time we get into the early portion of next week. And a quick peek at Hurricane Sally, Category 1, 85-mile-per-hour winds. The problem is this is moving at a snail's pace at just 2 miles per hour, and it's going to dump a ton of rain on some of these areas, probably about 15, 20, 25 inches, maybe isolated 30-inch amounts. And here's a quick peek at the forecast model, and you can see the bullseye of the heaviest rain there, and that's the primary threat with Sally here over the next several days is the heavy rain down in that area. That is a look at our forecast, guys.
Kevin, thanks. We want to let you know about some changes you're going to be seeing here on air starting on Monday. Kevin Craig, who you just heard from there, is going to be waking up a whole lot earlier because he's heading to the morning show. He'll be hanging out with Mike, Deanna, Davis, and the rest of the gang. You'll be able to see him there Monday through Friday. And then Anthony Domo will be joining us here at 10 and 11 o'clock. Kevin will be back to discuss those changes towards the end of our 11 o'clock show. Gonna miss him.